So I'll show you my favorite part about the car, which is in a tunnel. Anytime I drive with someone, I just do this.
God.
Give you that whiplash?
Yeah, literally. I don't know, I think there's something a lot different about actually building your car and making it your own.
Damn.
But I know if you happen to have money to buy a really cool car and it stays stock because it's really cool, I guess that's fair.
So you modify all your cars, huh?
I do.
Like yourself? Don't take it anywhere?
I mean, I've definitely taken it places. Because honestly though, like the whole like stereotypical like, oh, women are terrible fucking drivers, it depends. Because like I feel like I'm a very good driver. Like I have never been in an accident that was my fault, ever.
Hello?
Dude, my car's fucked.
What happened?
I was like, I put it back in drive and I was like gonna do normal cruising and now I can't. It's like putting me in the limp mode.
And also like my last Mustang, my EcoBoost, someone else crashed that. That was not even me.
I was thinking of a roast in the middle of that.
Oh no. That's the typical Mustang owner.
Well.
But yeah, like, so like this car makes 420, my car makes 412, so like that difference is really cool to me too, because I can feel like it's like the same, like, yeah, it's like it's pretty similar to my car, which is like kind of crazy to think about. Dude, honestly, I think it'd be a really good race. A dig, I'd be screwed, but a roll, I think would be really close. This car is just a little bit lighter than my car.
Yeah.
But the mid-engine, that's like kind of like that weight difference too. So.
Yeah, and I think between this and the Porsche, at the end of the day, I was like, alright, I'm good.
Yeah.
This, I feel like there's still like something left on the table that I want, that I want to do with it. I just don't know what that is. Just the head. At a rave, pretty much.
Yeah, literally. Holy shit.